Hey Dayz, welcome back to my day. We're going to country again. We have daddy hat. We're on our way to country. Jesus, look at this big bump right here. I don't know where it's coming from, but it's okay. We're going to pick up people as usual, and then we're going to leave out. Oh, they know, daddy? Oh, they know. Coronation Market. How's it, Uncle Steve?
Siapa drive it? She can't drive it.
Can't drive, good.
She can't drive. Siapa drive it?
I understand how no I come country and no wear slippers. And to wear shoes because I'm going to go in the grass. The good thing about the pants here, it have 10 different pockets, so we have enough space to go over.
You talk about the soup, how the soup taste?
It tastes nice and it tastes like the one right. You do one of the taste last night.
Right.
It didn't taste like
And the chicken you really want? Yeah, you don't want the soup, and the chicken. What me chicken and taste, you know? I am, I get chicken, I think I pose it.
Yes, it
Tell the people what it tastes, huh?
Yes. So we have arrived, and as soon as I came, I saw a baby, and I had to hold the baby. Lots of people here. They're meeting up to tile the tomb on my grandmother's grave. I planned to sit in the house again like last time, however.
Look here.
I'm hot, but outside is cool. I don't understand. I really want to pee, but they're telling me that it's an outside bathroom. But where is the outside bathroom?
Are you still in Georgia?
I see.
You're gonna have a backyard.
Come, no go with that. Come with this. Stay with me.
I have too much strength here, all.
That's a mirror.
Let's go. Laptop. Foot, fit, fit, fit.
Do this. The camera lady, come obvious.
We got the key. My hand's so full. He wants to have mercy upon. But we're going inside. Where is the purple plant that I took pictures with? So remember last time we came, there was a bed here. They've concreted it up inside here too. My messages sound like fart. I'm at country. For a person with not a lot of friends, I'm getting a lot of messages.
Help me!
Chillaxing, there's no water bottle. I don't really vlog much around my father's side of the family because they tend to be camera shy and I tend to embarrass people. So, see you in a bit. I've been in here for how long have I been here for? I'm currently editing a YouTube video on my phone. It's just easier to edit on my phone than a laptop. I have the application on my laptop to edit. It's just I'd rather be watching something on my laptop and editing on my phone than have my phone sitting there doing nothing while I'm editing on my laptop. I've been here since after 10. It's 6 o'clock now. I think Daddy said he wanted to leave around 7 o'clock, but the sun is still out, so I doubt he's going to leave. He's all the way down the road while I'm up the house because too much people are down there and my anxiety is really just not with the people today.
A few moments later.
You must be curious as to why I'm looking out the window and not going outside. The truth is, I don't want to go outside. There's someone outside that I'd rather not see or talk to. But you know what they say? God favors the brave. Oh, shoot, I'm leaving a key.
You were still here?
Yeah, we just lock up inside. But we hear so that they have food in the car.
They didn't remember see you there.
Run.
Let it now carry the key home. I got the key. Yes, I have to see if I like it. Come picky. I was going to eat this, but it needs something. Something is missing. It's a try kill me. You want the key or me I drive go home?
I'm gonna take a nice shot. Take a picture of the nice shot.
We don't go places where we're not wanted. Kind of my favorite part. I keep going. That's probably all I'll be filming today. Excuse me. Yeah, like and comment. What is that? It's loud.
Just remember her now. Lynn, because she not got tired to see her face.
That's true.
Lynn.
My battery is dying. Like, subscribe, share, comment. See you next week. Bye-bye.